In today's video, we'll be revealing why savvy Canadian retirees are quietly moving away from traditional RSP strategies. Instead, they're adopting alternative savings vehicles that offer better tax outcomes and far more retirement flexibility.
After years of working with Canadian clients frustrated by the limitations of RSPs, we've seen the shift firsthand. The traditional retirement savings approach is being replaced by a smarter combination of TFSAs, VRSPs, and other tax advantage accounts.
And that's exactly why we're making this video, so you can see why RSPs are falling out of favor. We'll show you which alternatives retirees are using and how you can transition your own savings for better retirement security.
Let's get right into it.
So let's start with why the RRSP tax structure is creating problems for many Canadian retirees. So during your working years, you're putting money into an RRSP, which reduces your taxable income.
And while your investments grow tax-free inside the RRSP, that tax break is only temporary, because when you retire, every dollar you withdraw from your RRSP is fully taxable as income.
Let's be clear, this is a tax deferral, not tax elimination. So in many cases, that deferral can turn into a bigger tax burden later on.
Especially if you're going to be retiring in the same or even higher tax bracket than you are while you're working. Large RRSP balances mean that large forced withdrawals, and that could push your income up.
Not only will you pay more income tax, but it can also put you in a position where your income goes into old age security clawback. So in other words, RRSPs can cause you to lose out on some government benefits.
And that's going to be why many retirees are rethinking the RRSP strategy entirely. While RRSPs create tax problems, TFSAs are going to offer tax-free advantages that retirees may actually need.
So the biggest difference with tax-free savings accounts is this. Contributing doesn't lower your income taxes today, but it does eliminate future taxes altogether.
Your investments will still grow tax-free, just like with the RRSPs, but unlike RRSPs, you don't pay any tax when you take money out.
And that means true tax-free income in retirement, not just delaying that tax bill.
And on top of that, tax-free savings account withdrawals don't count as taxable income. That helps you avoid old age security clawbacks and gives you way more flexibility.
One of the other big benefits is you can access funds at any time for any reason, and that's without affecting your tax situation. It's this kind of flexibility that makes TFSAs the preferred choice for retirement income.
So now that you understand the TFSA Advantage, watch our short video by clicking the link below, where we'll show you how to leverage these same principles to create your own retirement security regardless of your current savings.
John, let's talk about the tax-free first home savings account, also known as the FHSA, which was introduced in the 2022 federal budget.
While it's designed to help Canadians buy their first home, it actually has strategic retirement planning potential too.
Like a TFSA, FHSAs offer tax-free growth, and they can be used creatively in your long-term plan.
For example, retirees can help younger family members save for a home while still keeping funds in a tax-efficient environment.
And on top of that, the FHSA expands your total tax-free savings room beyond what you can put into your TFSA.
And if you're using housing as a part of your retirement strategy, this account adds layers of flexibility.
Having multiple types of accounts opens up far more options when planning your withdrawals in retirement.
Now, beyond individual accounts, some retirees are discovering the advantages of employer-sponsored alternatives, which brings us into the VRSP.
Now, not often talked about as a VRSP, I mean, the actual acronym stands for Voluntary Retirement Savings Plans, which allow you to save directly through payroll deductions. Most people would call it a group RSP.
Yeah, and just like RSP contributions, those deductions do reduce your taxable income today, and your investments grow tax deferred, just like with a regular RRSP.
But there are some key advantages here. So VRSPs or group RSPs often come with lower fees and better investment options than individual RSPs.
Employer-sponsored plans also tend to have lower administrative costs overall, and automatic payroll deductions help you build savings a bit more consistently.
And because you're using a group RSP plan, they can offer exclusive investment options that you may not have access to if you were doing it on your own.
Yeah, it's all about improving long-term outcomes, even when tax treatment looks the same on the surface. Now, understanding these alternatives reveals why smart Canadian retirees are diversifying beyond just the single account strategy.
Now, we found that more and more retirees are discovering the power of combining different types of accounts strategically.
Yep. It's the RSPs, the tax-free savings accounts, the VRSPs, even first home savings accounts all work better together. This is called tax diversification.
Yeah, and essentially, each account type offers a different advantage, and using them in combination gives you more control over your retirement income.
Some years, you'll want to pull income from tax-free accounts. Other years, you may want to draw from your RRSPs, your group RRSPs, based on your tax bracket.
Ultimately, the goal is to optimize your withdrawals every year. That way, you reduce your lifetime tax bill while maintaining that flexibility.
It's a more resilient and robust strategy than relying on just one type of account. So now that we've seen how multi-account strategies create retirement advantages, let's look at how we can help you implement some of these strategies in your own retirement planning.
First step, analyze your current RRSP situation and look for opportunities to diversify.
That may mean maximizing your tax-free savings account contributions and start building some tax-free income streams.
And if you have the opportunity through your employer to have a group RRSP, you need to take advantage of it. It could mean lower fees and much better options.
Working with a professional can help coordinate these accounts for optimal efficiency as well.
And that includes setting up the right contribution strategy for each of the different account types.
And just as importantly, planning your withdrawals to minimize taxes over your entire retirement.
You want flexibility, and having different tax treatments lets you respond to the changing income needs and tax rules.
And as new account types emerge, a good strategy will adapt with them.
Now that you understand why Canadian retirees are quietly replacing RRSP-only strategies with diversified approaches, you can do the same.
By using tax-free savings accounts, group RRSPs, and other alternatives, you'll position yourself for better outcomes and more confidence in retirement.
As always, if you're looking for more help planning your dream retirement in Canada, watch our short video by clicking the link below.
We'll walk you through exactly how to implement these strategies so you can retire smarter, not just in the traditional sense.
See you in the next video.